Hello and welcome to a new video! Now I can take this off. So without further introduction, most likely you saw the thumbnail, so you decided you wanted to see this bad boy. Bad boy? Is it a bad boy? It's white, so yeah. Let's not get over that. I left the unboxing experience for you, so let me just take you down here so you can see better. So we have here the Razer Seiren, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Seiren Mini White. It's as it says over here, certified streamer, and all this open broadcast software and XSplit broadcast you can see over here. Of course, it has a lot of heavy duty plug and play only with USB. A lot of the characteristics you see here, but let's see what's in the box. I think everybody wants to see what's in the box and then how it sounds, of course. So let me just open this up. Ooh, really nice. You can see here, for gamers by gamers. A really nice message from the founder, you can see over here, and also it contains some manual. The packaging is really good. I mean, you can see over here, even the cable is white. Damn. And it's also a braided cable. I don't know, it's not braided, but it has a really weird feeling. You can see here and the USB is also green because, yeah, you know, when it says Razer, then it's Razer. The cable, of course, it has a little thingy so you can cable manage it properly. It's pretty long. It's about 1.5 meters, longer than my desk at least. Let's see what else we have in the box. Oh, this is... Whoa! You can see over here, if it will focus up. And this is the base. Yeah, of course. I'm such a small ass. I forgot about this little thingy over here. So first you need to plug this into this. And also, if you have a microphone stand, then you can attach it to this one. And then you see right here, this is nice. This was everything in the package. Let me just clean this up. You can see it has a little arm over here, so it can stand properly, so it won't move when plugged in. Oh, and just look over here, it fits properly, really nice. And now we just need to plug it in and start recording. So let's hear some samples. Okay, let's get this bad boy started. So now we are recording with the mic being, I don't know, 10-15 centimeters from my about 20 centimeters if I'm right from my voice. The sound settings from Windows are set to 100% without any filters, and you can see over here I'm recording with Audacity. And let's see if I start typing. Can you still hear me if I still type? I'm still typing at my keyboard, and I'm still talking to the Razer Seiren Mini. Now let's see another test. Let's move on to this is the podcast. This is me doing a podcast. You can already see the levels have gone sky high in the Audacity audio recorder. So I assume this would be the proper position when you're using the Razer Seiren Mini, black, white or pink if you like, and with a proper microphone stand, because you would usually use this type of mic with a stand. I mean, you need to get it closer to your face because you don't want to shout. This is the mic pretty far away from the mouth, and you can see over here the mic is near the recording, and then the mic is near my voice. You can see the levels are quite noticeable. What else? Let's see. Well, it says on the box and on the specification that it can reduce the background noise. For example, if you're talking right into it, it will remove other noise. So let's see. As you can see over here, I'm hitting the space bar on my keyboard, so I want you to see if you can understand me or hear me better or not with this mic. And now let's move on to something a little different, because everybody's gonna play games, assuming with this mic, not only recording. So let's see. Can you pick up any of my mouse clicks? I'm sure. Let me just be silent for a second. Whoa, it's really a big difference. As you can see over here, the mouse clicks are not that loud, I mean, and it's pretty decent. I mean, the voice quality seems to be decent. Now let's play back some of the audio. I mean, the sound quality is just Jesus. So as I was saying, this is in my opinion, one of the best mics that I've used to record, and I'm not a professional producer. I didn't spend a lot of money on it. I mean, I only spent, this cost me about 50, let's say about $70, 55 euros, something like that. And the quality, you will see the quality. I mean, the closer you get to him, the noise, I mean, not the noise, but the voice gets really deep, and it's like I'm in a studio, I'm recording. And as you can see here, I don't have any insulation foam on the walls. It's just a plain room. I can hear the fans running on my PC right now. I see that my CPU is at 45 degrees and my GPU to 54 degrees, and that's why the fans are working and are running. I can hear them right now, but I bet you will not get any of that noise on the mic. So did you get any of the noise? What do you think of this one? Would you buy it? Would you not? My personal opinion is, what are you waiting for? Just go get one. That's it. Thank you. Bye. Also, I was just kidding, not yet bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this radio podcast. Damn, I really like the sound of my voice in this mic. So see you in the next one. Don't forget to comment down below. Do you like this one? Thumbs up. Bye.